stop scrolling. Your mucus remedy is already in your kitchen. Grate 1 onion into a jar. Quercetin starts destroying mucus instantly. Squeeze 1 full orange. Vitamin C floods your immune system. Half a lime dissolves thick phlegm from the inside out. 1 big spoon of raw honey. Antibacterial, antiviral, throat healing gold. Stir it. Wait 2 hours. Take 1 spoon morning and night. Cough gone, chest clear, breathing easy. 4 ingredients, 0 chemicals, pure results. Drop a fire if you're trying this tonight, and tag a coughing friend right now.